जी सर। स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं होगा।
Question number.
Yes sir. जी sir, exactly. A student hangs various masses from the end of a spring and determines the extension produced. Figure shows the spring hanging vertically on its own with an unknown mass x at one end. The student plots a graph of the extension of the spring against the mass hanging on the
Spring against the mass hanging.
G extension or mass. State the name. A point P on the graph. At point P on the graph, the line begins to curve. State the name of point P. Limit of proportionality.
Using figure
Next.
2.1 and the mass.
So ऊपर करना. Figure 2.1 क्या था? अच्छा. यानी 30 सेंटीमीटर्स पे देखना है. हाँ. 20. नहीं. हाँ. जी. क्या चेक करूँ से? 20 Newton per bar 200. नहीं, sorry. What? 250. जी से मैं चेक करता हूँ. क्वेश्चन कौन से?
Question.
Uh, 250.
The gravitational field. Then
W is equal to mg 10 multiplied by 250. नहीं, क्योंकि किलोग्राम्स में है तो ग्राम्स को पहले कन्वर्ट करेंगे किलोग्राम्स में. तो ये बनेगा मल्टीप्लाई कर 200 and 2.5 सॉरी 5. तो इसका है 2.5 न्यूटन्स.
is
G.
an identical string together. This next is state an
Sorry.
extension in the figure compares with. ये क्या हो as both string so tension. So
No, sir.
next is the surface and it exert a large force on the rubber track. Exert a large force to affect that.
Force. Change say size.
Force
Shape. Volume. Yeah, and volume.
or a spring passes well beyond. So on
So इसको straight line or फिर curved towards upward, downwards. G. Mm.
Ix,
Y.
the mass are then removed extend just क्या होता है जब आप सारे मैस कर देते
So,
when all the
extension becomes 0.
masses what is
सर एक्सटेंशन भी कम से वो जब मैथ मूव करेंगे हाँ सर एक्सटेंशन अपना ओरिजिनल स्टेट पे वापस नहीं जाएंगे
परमानेंट the spring is longer there as compared to the length due to permanent 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 the spring become permanent
ओके
तो देखें जब आपने ज़्यादा सारे pieces रख permanent change next the apparatus shown in figure 1.1 explain how the mass causes a force on the how the mass causes force on the spring
सर ड्यू टू वेट या ग्रेविटी
weight pulls the spring downward
पुल्स स्प्रिंग
spring spring downward
जी
tension next is the force on the by the
So
vector
a
quantity
quantity that has direction.
vector quantity
So और कोई quantities होते हैं besides scalar and vector?
tensor होती
नहीं दो सर उसका
vector
अच्छा
large size में होगा तो वो scalar होगा if the area is very small next is figure 1.2 shows a graph of the speed again 10 newton and 10 newton state a formula that relates the unstretched length of the spring the stretch length L of the spring and tension of the spring so have to drive the formula so we know that extension equals final length minus
initial
formula
final answer 80 to 80 माइन अच्छा फॉर्मूला ही पूछा है
देखिए मार्किंग स्कीम में क्या लिखा हुआ है
so L is equal to L naught plus E or L naught is equal to L minus E or E is equal to L is equal to L naught E जी सर
next a mass produces force of 9 newton
पकड़ना सर 4 न्यूटन पर थर्ड 4 न्यूटन ही है ना कितना ये बना है 36 4 So 30 हाफ लाइन पर बनेगा उससे तीन
No, no, no.
दो तीन ऊपर.
A mass produces
अच्छा 9 है सर.
9 new. Determine the extension caused by this.
अच्छा ऊपर करने से मुझे लगा कि फोन न्यूटन का क्या था. यहाँ ये बन रहा है 6 नहीं 78 इश बन रहा है. हम्म
Or
8.
there is this one. Else,
36. अच्छा तो देखो 4 न्यूटन पर तो भी तो ठीक ही आया था.
the limit of proportionality. The spring is stretched up. On figure 1 point continue बात क्या होगा? After
So it curves towards
the length
extension upwards.
कैसा होगा?
Upwards. So ऐसा.
Steep.
Hmm.
ये अब आपने याद. After after limit of
Limit of proportionality.
body can be stretched.
No, sir.
Graph is moved. Next
So a student suspends a spring from a clamp stand. He measures the unstretched length of the spring with no load attached. He then attaches different loads to the lower end of the spring and measures the new length of the spring. A figure shows the total length of the spring depends on the load attached. The
at
line
point P.
stops. State the name of point P. Limit of proportionality.
Yes, the point P is the limit of.
जी उससे अगला मैं करता हूँ.
Determine the unstretched length of the
10 हाँ जी कितने का गैप आया ऐसे 10 है बॉक्सेस से 8 कैसे बना.
whole box.
अच्छा 8
5.
5 ठीक है.
Calculate the extension of the spring for Newton.
ऊपर करना. uh 15.5 75 minus 8.
Minus 0.7. Oh, sorry. Point 5. करें क्या?
15.75 minus 8.5 7.25
7 point
25. So यहाँ range दिया हुआ है 7.1 to 7.3. ठीक है.
Next is attach gravitational, calculate the good mass आपने find. Value of tension and the length is what? Point 5. सही है?
Yes, sir.
And change in length 0.5 plus is 7 point. पता है?
8.5 plus 2.7. 11.2.
अभी तक बताएं.
सर इसमें आपने एक्सटेंशन लिया एल नॉट लिया तो चेंज इन एक्सटेंशन लिया आपने.
Change in
चेंज इन लेंथ सॉरी.
now आपने देखा graph graph 0.5 ना. यहाँ पे wood is 1.5 G is 10. Five. Next is question number 13. पढ़े?
Figure shows the length of a spring varies as the force applied to it increases. Determine the length of the ancient spring.
Unstretched length.
तो सर
Unstretched
0
mean
पर 11.
सारा आपने बताया. 11. Next, explain how the graph shows not reach. How the graph shows not reached.
Sir, since it's always a constant line.
Because अभी तक हमारे पास graph क्या है? Graph is still a graph. Next part पढ़े.
So ऊपर करना. So figure the spring is attached to a mass m of 0.2 kilograms and placed on a frictionless surface as shown in figure. The apparatus is placed on the floor of a car. When the car accelerates uniformly in the direction shown, the spring extends. State what is meant by uniform acceleration.
Uniform acceleration. What is
So
meant by
constant change in speed.
when full full interval of full interval time, full change in time, then cosine uniform. Next, the extension of the spring is 9 centimeters. Figure 1.1 determine the horizontal M. Horizontal force. The
Okay.
extension
तो वही ना horizontal force तो कहीं given ही नहीं है. So इसमें तो कहीं given ही नहीं है.
the extension
अच्छा तो 9 centimeters तो 11 plus 9
yes
20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 boxes ऊपर है. अच्छा.
the acceleration
जी.
A equals divided by force is 0.8 divided by 0
4 जी.
का पैसे का फुल पार्ट नहीं
चलो.
बड़े बच्चे
A pupil hangs a load of 45 newton from a length of copper wire. The wire extends by 2.5 millimeter and does not exceed the limit of proportionality. The gravitational field strength is 10 newton per kg. Calculate the mass of the 45 newton load.
45 over
4.5.
the grade for a load 5
45. 35. 40. 45.
है ना?
जी सर।
वाई एक्सिस
मैथ्स। अच्छा तो एक्सटेंशन सर 2.5 मिलीमीटर्स।
5 है ना?
जी तो अब एक स्ट्रेट लाइन 45 से लेकर वहां तक ड्रॉ करेंगे। जी।
और नेक्स्ट इसके बाद क्या है? द ग्राफ प्लॉटेड इन फिगर 1 point that actually forces extension is now the extension point 3 5 3
मैं कर रहा हूँ सर। 23.4।
23 लिख now
जी।
this
माशाल्लाह।
okay with
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।